perform this together with my group.
Hello, my name is Orich Talipan.
Hi, my name is Dennis Sevilla.
Hi, my name is Michelle Rose.
Hi everyone. Before we start our main exercise, let's begin with a warm-up. Warming up is very important because it helps prepare our body with physical activity. It increases our heart rate, loosens our muscles, and improves flexibility and helps prevent injuries.
And now let's move on to our circuit station, and each station consists of 20 seconds.
First exercise is body weight squat. Body weight squat is an important exercise because it helps strengthen the legs, hips, and core muscle without using any equipment. It improves balance, stability, and flexibility, which are essential for daily movements like sitting, standing, or lifting objects. Next is push-ups. Push-ups are important because they help strengthen your upper body, especially the chest, shoulders, arms, and core muscles. This exercise improves muscular strength and endurance, which helps you perform daily activities that require pushing or lifting. Next is plank hold. Plank hold is important because it helps strengthen your core muscles, including the abs, back, and hips. A strong core improves posture, balance, and stability, which are essential for almost every movement you do each day. Doing planks regularly also helps reduce the risk of back pain, improve endurance, and supports better body alignment. Next exercise is high knees. High knees are important because they help improve cardiovascular endurance, strengthen the legs and core, and boost coordination and agility. This exercise gets your heart rate up quickly, making it an excellent warm-up. The last one is tricep dips on chair. Tricep dips on chair are important because they help strengthen and tone the tricep muscles, which are located at the back of your upper arms. This exercise also works your shoulder, chest, and core, improving overall upper body strength.
By the end of our exercise, it's very important to perform a cool down.
Cooling down after exercise. Cooling down after exercise is important because it helps your body gradually return to its normal state. It allows your heart rate and breathing to slow down safely and help prevent dizziness or fainting. Cool down exercise also help reduce muscle stiffness and soreness by promoting blood circulation and removing waste products like lactic acid from your muscle. They improve flexibility, aid in recovery, and prevent injury. That's why cooling down is very important to do after the exercise, so our muscles can rest.
So, how's your experience of performing strength training?
I feel tired. I feel my muscle is not great. It's so good because it's for my health and our daily life.
So in terms of cardiovascular endurance and strength, I think this activity helps us to assist how long we can move this exercise, and we can know how strong we can perform this kind of activities. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will learn something for our circuit training demonstration. And always remember to stay active and healthy. Thank you.